Charlotte, in front of you is $10,000 and a pile of steaks. Whichever you touch first, your parent gets. Ready? Go.
Go get the money. Get it, girl. Get it.
She has to touch it.
Get it.
Money,
Get
money,
it. Get it. Get the money.
Oh, she's
No. Don't be deceived. What are you doing?
she's getting the zoomies. Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Lock in and go for it. Go get money.
Yes,
Right there.
yes, get it.
Right there.
Yes.
Right there. Oh. She touched it. She touched it.
She's finally paying rent.
Subscribe if you want